हाय गाइस। मैं कोई व्लॉग रिकॉर्ड करी तो नहीं थी, बट आई थॉट कि आई यूज़ ऑल ऑफ द वीडियोस दैट आई हैव, ताकि आप लोग को भी पता चले कि हैदराबाद का मेसी एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था। सो दिस इज़ हाउ द स्टेडियम वाज। वी रीच द वेन्यू एट 5:30 एंड द सिक्योरिटी वाज रियली गुड। लाइक किसी को बैग्स अलाउड नहीं थे, कुछ भी अलाउड नहीं था इन द स्टेडियम एक्सेप्ट फॉर योर फ़ोन्स, which was really good. Like they checked our pockets and our phones like 4 to 5 times before entering the stadium. And then these were our seats. The setup was amazing. The lighting and everything was on point. आप लोग देख सकते, it was all in the Argentinian colors. And this was a segment where they asked us to flash our phone lights, and it looked so pretty like stars in the sky. And this was all before Messi's arrival. मतलब ये around I think it was 7 or something, and Messi came around 7:30. So इससे पहले 2 performances हुए before Messi arrived, and they were both in Telugu. So I did not record them क्योंकि मेरे को तेलुगु आती नहीं. And there was a female singer and a male singer, and they sang some like Telugu songs and everything. And this was one of the best parts. ये लाइट शो था, एंड एज यू कैन सी like goat Messi, and then like Messi is like silhouette. And ये moment पे the audience was so hyped, you cannot even imagine. I think if you can hear it in the video, मैं थोड़ा clips play कर दूँगी यहाँ पे. But this was really really amazing. Like we were going crazy. And you can also see that the lights were blue and white in the Argentinian colors. Like up, but you can tell that it was so well thought of. Like everything was thought of so precisely. Okay, and now get ready to experience the best goosebumps of your life. This was the moment when they announced that Messi is in the stadium, and we all just went crazy. Then they stopped the live broadcast. And as you can see, we also had Rahul Gandhi in attendance, and I was so shocked because I had no idea about it. It felt so good to see him too. And this was the VIP section where he was seated along with some other people. And to everyone who's not from Telangana and जो मेरे को मेरे reels में पूछ रहे थे, the person in the number 9 red jersey is our Chief Minister Revanth Reddy sir. So he had organized a friendly match with Messi, and काफ़ी time से he was preparing for it. Also we have been seeing reels all over Instagram. So this was his entry, and he just kicked the ball around with the guys who were playing a match before the event started. And finally, the moment we had all been waiting for, Messi finally arrived, and we could not believe our eyes. I mean, look at the crowd. We were all going so crazy. Oh my god. And also, like Suarez and De Paul were also in attendance, and just look at them. After the friendly match with our CM, he took a few photos with the teams, both of the teams, and then ये सेगमेंट था तो जो मैच हुआ था बिफोर मेसी अराइव्ड, तो उसके पेनल्टी शूट आउट्स थे विच दे वर वॉचिंग एंड दे वर क्लैपिंग फॉर द पीपल हु वर प्लेइंग एंड इट वाज सो गुड. मतलब I don't know if anybody could experience this, the thing that those teams, those players have experienced. And I don't know what Messi was asking. I think that's his manager or something. But yeah, just look at him. इसके बाद जो हुआ, it was the best part of the segment according to me. So as you can see, what happened was कि वो लोग they walked all around the stadium and हर थोड़ी दूर पे they were stopping and they were passing the ball around. तो इससे ये हुआ कि everybody who attended could see him like करीब से. किसी को ऐसे नहीं था कि दूर से दिख गया, क्योंकि पिच was वेरी स्मॉल, वो बस एक तरफ थी, पर सबको देखने को मिला एंड दिस वाज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस. And as you can see, Messi kicked the ball and I don't know who got it. I saw a guy posted a video reels pe, and they actually kicked the ball a few times like all around the stadium when they were walking. तो कभी मेसी ने किया, कभी सुआरेज़ ने किया, तो ऐसे लाइक दे किक्ड आई थिंक 5 or 6 बॉल्स. हमारी तरफ कोई नहीं आया, बट इट्स ओके, एटलीस्ट वी गॉट टू सी इट. Okay, so guys, this was the last photo op. As you can see, Rahul Gandhi sir is walking over and Revant Reddy sir bhi hai, Messi and everyone. So they took a bunch of photos, and then iske baad they took photos with the teams that played, and this was the last segment that happened.
When we have all the dignitaries on stage, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, the list goes on. Lionel Messi himself. We also have our Honorable Chief Minister. We have the Argentinian machine, Rodrigo de Paul, and the Barcelona legend, the Uruguay legend, the Liverpool legend, Luis Suarez.
Muchas gracias por todo el amor, por todo el cariño, por apoyarnos tanto en la Copa del Mundo y seguir estando cerca de nuestra selección. Gracias a todos.
Por habernos recibido así y bueno, este cariño a nosotros nos hace sentirnos muy queridos y obviamente que el cariño que nos da la gente acá nos hace que queramos volver en algún momento. Un abrazo grande y muchas gracias por participar. Giving a token of appreciation, more than that, to the goal, to the legend himself, Lionel Messi!